My colleague Tanushree Pandey is joining us as well. She's tracking the social media account of Sushant's immediate family members, and I believe she's got an update. Over to you, Tanushree.
Absolutely. In fact, Shweta Singh Kirti, Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, who earlier posted a tweet urging Prime Minister Narendra Modi to look into the case directly. And in fact, she said that my brother had no godfather. We still have no godfather and we would need your help. You should make sure, she urged the Prime Minister that you should make sure that no evidence is being tampered with and is being tampered with. This investigation goes on fairly and there is a thorough probe by the Mumbai police and by the Bihar police. So we are right now outside the rented house of Rhea Chakraborty in Santa Cruz, Mumbai, Chaiti. This particular house, Rhea used to live here, and this is a rented house, we'll tell you. But what we have been told by the security guards and also by by some of her friends, that Rhea Chakraborty is not living here anymore. She was in fact staying with her family, and now today she has been summoned to the Enforcement Directorate. Her father and her brother both are accompanying her, and definitely, as Sahil and Pankaj were mentioning, there are going to be a lot of tough questions for Rhea. But on the other hand, Sushant Singh Rajput's family are they are hell-bent and they are totally convinced that there is some kind of a foul play which is there in this in Sushant Singh Rajput's death, and all they want is justice for their brother, for their family member. And that is why today Shweta Singh Kirti, she has just posted a picture of Chaiti, a god with a trident symbol. So that
very evident from the allegations that have been made by Sushant Singh Rajput's family. They are suspecting a definitive foul play, and after the spate of allegations that have been made by the family, at the moment the Enforcement Directorate is probing the finances. They are establishing a financial trail to see if there was some sort of a financial discrepancy or not, and hence the questioning is going on at the Enforcement Directorate. Many questions arising on the companies that were floated by Sushant Singh Rajput. What is the kind of work that the companies were doing? What were their filings with the registrar of companies like? Was there any debt fundraising that was done by the company? The paid up capital of 1 lakh rupees is the information that we have at the moment, but the ED trying to delve further to find out the financial trail. Even being questioned, Rhea's even being questioned about the property holdings that she had in Mumbai, those 2 properties and apartments. From where did she get them? Having a net worth of 14 lakh rupees, where did she get the money to buy the property from? All of that is being thoroughly probed by the Enforcement Directorate as we speak. So this is a proper probe into the finances of Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakraborty going on at the moment. Let's now take a look at all the close aides of Sushant Singh Rajput and what they are claiming. First up, you've got a man called Siddharth Pitani. Siddharth Pitani, remember, viewers, we've been reiterating, is Sushant Singh Rajput's friend. He lived in the same house. He goes on to say that Sushant Singh Rajput was not in touch with his family members. Then you've got Neeraj, who is Sushant Singh Rajput's cook. He worked since May 2019. He says that Sushant Singh Rajput looked unwell. There was also Samuel Miranda, who is the house manager appointed by Rhea Chakraborty, and here his role is also under question at the moment. He was in fact grilled twice by the Enforcement Directorate. Rhea Chakraborty, of course, is the girlfriend accused of abetment to suicide, grilled by the ED as we speak, along with her father and her brother Shouvik Chakraborty. So all of these are people in question. The mystery, of course, the pieces of puzzle will be put together when all of them get questioned, once the probe really reveals who was involved, if at all there was any kind of an involvement following the spate of allegations of murder that are coming in from the family, of financial irregularity that is coming in from family as well. And we are at India Today, without jumping into any conjectures, getting you the probe as it stands and continue to question every angle possible. Slipping in a very short commercial break, our rolling coverage continues on the other side as well.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.